y'all, so you need an 8mm. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one over the ratchet. Go ahead about taking these 7mm out once again. You just slide it right in and line up the holes. As our boys can see, man, now look at the emo from back here, man. The headlights, like I said, those were supposed to be lighting up on the inside, but they was never lighting up like they were supposed to, y'all. Let me know what y'all boys think, man. Is this a valid mod?
Energy made this one.
It's with a K, dumbass.
Crispy what? It's with a K, dumbass. Hey. Like a virgin, he ain't hit shit, he got a fold something. I been tweaking, going hard, yeah, the whole summer. The shit niggas drop, it be trash, a whole dumps. My bitch got a line, so I had all my hoes jumping.
What's going on with YouTube? This boy 345 jumping into today's video. Let's go into I got some boxes on the floor. I got my order on my turn. What do you got on the floor today, man? As y'all can see, I got the bumper off, so I lifted off the bumper. I thought you just bought a bumper in the last video. If I did watch the last video, go back and watch this video before I finish with some bump. I just bought a Hellcat bumper for it, so I got rid of my RT bumper. So I had the fog lights at the bottom, but now we did a fog light delete, y'all. So I'm in the process of building it because they came piece by piece. So y'all gonna see the Hellcat bumper on in the next video or the next 2 videos. It all depends on how long it takes me to get it finished. But we're about to go ahead and install these demonized headlights myself. So these pretty much come on Hellcats, scat packs, and any pretty much trims above mine. But mine did come with a charm, but my harness is missing for a charm. So I got the headlights. Come here, show me. If y'all look on the inside, let me see. If y'all look on the inside, y'all, I have the glowing headlight lamps, y'all. Y'all see the Charlie, I mean, not the Charlie logo, but the Dodge logo, y'all. If y'all know, some trims come with these that glow up on the inside, but mine do not, y'all. Like I said, because the wiring harness on the backyard is missing. So I'm about to go ahead and swap out those ones and install these ones, y'all. And let me go ahead and get y'all in this installation video, man. Let me go ahead and pop the hood. And then I'm about to grab the tools as well. So, boom. I gotta grab my drill and my ratchet set, y'all, and that's all you're gonna need. So we're about to go ahead like this all. We 345 mechanic, man. We get this stuff done pretty much. I do this stuff myself, try to get as much as I can done myself before spending my money on somebody else to do it. So go ahead and make this fast. We take these out. Both sides. These both on floor. As y'all can see, like I said, y'all, so these pretty much go on the inside. It needs to be glowing up white, and so this will all light up on the inside instead of it being black how it is, if that makes sense. Y'all gonna see what I'm trying to show y'all. So I'm gonna do one side, then move to the other. But the easiest way to do this is I'm just go ahead and unscrew these headlights. I got 3 little screws, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get those out so I can make this fast. Alright, y'all, so you're gonna go ahead and start getting these screws out at the bottom, y'all. You pretty much need a drill. Okay, for some of you don't need a drill. You need a ratchet for some of you, and some of you use a drill. So I believe it was 7 or 10. Alright, y'all, so you need an 8mm. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one over the ratchet. And I believe for my other one, put a second screw right here. You can get that one out with a drill if you never problems with it. But this one, you need an 8, or you can either use a screwdriver, y'all. It depends on how easy it is to get out on y'all. Everybody's gonna be a little different. It all depends, man. So, boom. I got this screw out. Let me see every one in my pocket. 1, 2. The bottom one, y'all, that bottom one is not an 8. So don't try to get that one out with an 8. You need a drill for that one. I might not even take out the last one. I might just wait it for it and keep the other one in, y'all. We're gonna see. But yeah, I'm just hopping straight to the video, y'all. I'm trying to make this fast because I don't want to take this. I don't want this video to be longer than what it should. This is a fast little mod, and it's just gonna look nice. like that. We got 3, 4, 5 mechanical headlights out. So now we can sit these like this, y'all, so that's all I can see. So boom, y'all, I'm gonna take this old one out, y'all. I got all of these little screws I gotta remove. Then I'm gonna go ahead and place the old one in this position where it's supposed to be at. It's a 7 to get the old ones out, or if y'all did not have none before, but it's a 7 to get these out right here. So, oh wait, hold on. You wanna go ahead, damn, that's low key harder than I thought. You wanna go ahead and disconnect your headlights, y'all. Shit, that's motherfucking hard. I'm up in there. Unless I'm doing it wrong. Well, I'm not gonna disconnect them, y'all, but y'all want your headlights. Y'all want this. Y'all want to remove this so you can be able to get right here, pretty much. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these clips out, y'all. Once I get, not clips, but once I get all of these screws, I got 1, 2, 3. I think I got 3 screws holding this in, y'all. So once I get these 3 out, I'm gonna go ahead and put in a new one, y'all. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, this was the old one. As y'all can see, like I said, I had the OEM Dodge one that blew up, y'all, but for whatever reason, my harness was missing, and I don't know what the name of this is, so I might actually be throwing these ones back in real soon, or I might keep this for my scat if I don't get my scat with these, or I might even sell them. We gonna figure out, but I'm gonna go ahead and put these ones in. As y'all can see, these just go boom, this just go right into place where the last one is, and I went on ahead and I just go ahead and plug the harness in, and this is for the other side, so I'm gonna just throw this in here for now. But as y'all can see, you just pull up, go right into place. This is the old one, so I'm gonna put this here and screw those into place and put the headlight back on place and do the other side. Pretty much do the same process. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I got it wired in. So now all we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead, put my headlight back into place and get these screwed in, y'all. Yeah, so give me 1 second. Once I have him hold this so I can get these screwed in, y'all.
I'm gonna call from
YG. Man, tell him bring them tucks on. Tell him pass the rock. Her niggas shoot like Ben Simmons, don't give him a Glock, boy. My bitch look me in my eyes, she with.
So I can see I got the first side in, y'all. The first headlight, so I can't. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up a little bit just to be sure. But I got the first side back in, y'all. Let me see. Yeah, I got first side done. Let me go ahead and work on the second side. Take them out, put the new caps in, well, headlight lamps in. Same process as the first side, y'all. And y'all gonna see how the finished product look, man, like I said. So we got this side out as I can see, so we go ahead about taking these 7mm out once again. And this one, yeah, it got 3 screws on each side. 1, 2, 3, the one that I'm doing. And I'm gonna plug in the next one and see if I can get these wired up, man. Alright, y'all, as our boys can see, we got the old one now, so we better go ahead and put the new one in. Once again, same process. You just slide it right in and line up the hose, and boom. I recommend always starting from the one that you have to use the extension for, y'all. So that'll be the one in the corner. So use the extension for the one and do the corner first, and then work your ways to the one in the front, y'all, because the one in the corner is gonna be your bottom one, if that makes sense. But this is low-key easy mod, y'all, so you're gonna be able to get this done nice and fast. Boys can see, man, I'm hand tightening them first, and then I'm just going ahead and getting them bolted down. Well, ratcheting it down pretty much after, as y'all can see. So now, after I get this, I'm plugging the wire in the back. Now with this wire that I brought over, go ahead, put this inside. Let me make sure I put that in. Okay, yeah. Can't go wrong with always going back to real work, y'all. So always make sure y'all double back y'all work if y'all feel like y'all not too short either, man. But let me go ahead. I need this wire harness, so I'm gonna set this over to the side right here, like that. And let me go ahead and place my headlights back into place, man. Same process like I did over there. As our boys can see, man. Now look at the emo from back here, man. The headlights, like I said, those was supposed to be lighting up on the inside, but they was never lighting up like they was supposed to, y'all. Let me know what y'all boys think, man. Is this a valid mod? I had the OEM ones, like I said, y'all, so I low-key was a little bit upset that I found out that I had the OEM ones after ordering these, because I'm like, damn, these never lit up the whole time, and I was wondering why they was never lighting up. But these give it a way better look, man. So now when I throw it on the Hellcat bumper, y'all, it's gonna give it a way more aggressive look to really give it them Hellcat looks, man. But let me go ahead and give y'all a couple cinematics, clean up my wiring, and when I get home, I'm gonna do some zip ties. But let me just clean it up so I can be able to get home so nothing drag on the floor, and tidy up everything so we can finish off this video, man. And then this is what it looked like with the nighttime lights, y'all. I hope y'all boys enjoyed this video, man. I didn't really want to do as much talking and make this video long because I gotta go to sleep for work, y'all. I work at night, if y'all did not know. But I just wanted to get this mod done fast so I can be able to go get some other stuff done, man. But let me know if y'all boys like this mod, man. Let me know what y'all rate it, 1 out of 10. I feel like, y'all, this is a 10. I feel like this is something that should have been done, y'all, but I just waited so long because I never knew that I actually had those until I took off my bumper, y'all. No, I never knew, you know?
Day 2.
What's going on with the YouTube? It's your boy 345 Jerm. It's the same video, different day, y'all. So this is the video on showing y'all about my headlights, man. So I feel like I didn't show y'all a detailed look of what it looked like at night. Let me whip off my camera real quick for y'all. But I feel like I didn't give y'all a detailed look at what it looked like outside. So this is what it looked like in the daytime running mode, y'all. So the demon eyes compared to when it wasn't glowing up on the inside, as y'all can see. I hope I showed y'all good enough when I was just installing it. I know I was lucky doing it fast, y'all. Like I said, this is a different day, same video though. So I had made sure I added this clip in just because I don't remember if I actually showed y'all these detailed enough. So as y'all can see, they're glowing up now through the middle. Let me show y'all the second motor lights that we have so we can go ahead and end the video off, man. But as y'all can see, it give it a nice white glowing effect, man. But my lights is dirty, y'all. Everything dirty. I gotta clean my whole car and everything. Y'all can see I haven't cleaned it just because I still don't have the bumper on, so I don't want to get any of this real wet and drench anything and mess it up, y'all. So let me go ahead and show y'all the second one so we can end this video off right here, man. All right, y'all, and as y'all can see, this is the second mode. So this is with these bulbs on the outer on the ends pretty much lighting up instead of having a hole through them, if y'all know what I'm trying to say. These is the night lights, and then the other ones is the daytime running lights. So if y'all know what I'm trying to say, y'all know what I'm trying to say. But that's what the left side looking like, y'all. So like I said, this pretty much all glow up now. This was never all lit up on the inside. This was supposed to be lit up when I had it because I had the OEM mopar one, y'all. But like I said, due to the fact that whoever had my car before me lost the harnesses for them, and I can't find a part number for those exact parts, y'all. So if I could find those, I would probably throw the OEM ones back in there just to see if those look better than these ones. But that's what we're working with for now. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off right here, man. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, share, subscribe, and we're gonna end the video off right here, man. Peace.
Look at my racks solid. I see the grass getting long. Snakes, I'm gon' mow it. I'm gon' blow like brown. Racks on me, I'm so rich. Talk here, top of the morning. I'm in the car, got motion. Big bang roll, can't fall.